Hey everyone, today we are going to look at LeetCode problem number 49, group anagrams. So in this question we have been given a string and we need to group all the anagrams together. So what exactly is an anagram? Anagram is a string which can be converted. If we'll rearrange them, like we can make that string. So if we are having 8, so for with the same string we can make t and 8. So in this question, like we are having bat, uh, like from bat, like we cannot make any other, so that's why we have only one element for this. For nat and tan, like we have two, and we need to return result like this. If it's an empty string, we'll just return empty, and if it's single one, we'll just return single one. So how we can proceed for this question? To solve this question, we will be using a basic approach. So that approach is how we can find an anagram. So if we want to find an anagram, what we usually do, we just count the number of occurrences of every letter. So if we are if you're taking example of these three strings, then you can see that a number of times we are having a is equal to like all of them is equal to 1, and for all, like it's 1, for t also it's same, and for e also it's same. So what we will be doing, we'll be counting out the elements. After counting out the elements, we will have our string something like this. If you're talking about 8, eat and t, then for a it will be 1, then for rest it will be like for b to b till a, like b till d it will be 0, then for e it will be 1, uh, then for e then for t it will be 1. For rest of the things it will be same, and will be same for all the elements. So if it is same for all, what we can do, we can just store this thing in our hash map, and this will be our values. So this will be our hash map and these will be values. So we'll be solving this using hash map only. So let's see how we can solve. So we are taking this result variable here. Then we are having this hash map of string and a list. Now this is the length, and after that we are just traversing for all the elements. And what we are doing, we are first storing the string in a temporary variable. Then after that, this is the array which we have make, and we will be adding, like we will be counting all the elements. After that, our array will look something like this. Let me just show you that. So after that, we are storing our array in this one, and you can see we have stored we have stored this string. This will be our key, and we have stored our key in this temp variable. And you can see in eat is exactly same as t, and 8 is also same. So we have just put that in a string, and what we are doing, we are just checking if we already are having this string in our map. If we are not having, we will just put our uh, new empty. So if you are not having, we will just put an empty list, and after that we'll just add to that temp variable. So after that, what we are doing, we were just adding this in our group anagrams, and after that we are just returning out the solution. And I've submitted this, and it is pretty efficient as well. So see you in the next video. Thank you.